Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Max Matrix exercise 3.1 question number 4. Let's see the question. Construct 2 by 2 matrix A is equal to Ij whose elements are given by. Here they have given A is equal to Ij. Ij means the I will be the row, the J will be the column. Here we need to construct a 2 by 2 matrix. Before that, let me write the A. We know that A is Ij. That means here this is the first row and the first column. We need first write 4A, 2 rows and 2 columns. As it is given as A 2 by 2, let me write 2A and 2A in the 2 rows. Now this is the first row, first column. This is the first row, second column. First row, this is row and this will be your column. So first row, second column will be 1, 2. Here second row, first column. Always remember R cross C. Royal Challenge or Red Cross, whatever thing you can name it, and remember in that way it should be R in the first and column in the second. Now this will be A22 as it is second row and second column. Now we know what is I, what is J for this element, and what is I, what is J for this element. Just substitute the value in this and find out the element. Now let me take the first sum. For first sum we know that Aij, that is A11 is, I know that my I is 1 and J is also 1. Just substitute the value here. 1 plus 1 the whole square by 2, which is 1 plus 1 is 2 square by 2 is 2. Now same way A12. A12 is we are going to write this element. Now A12, substitute the value here, that is 1 plus 2 the whole square by 2, which is 3 square by 2 is 9 by 2. Now A we need to find for 2, 1. For 2, 1 it is 2 plus 1 the whole square by 2 is 3 square by 2, which is 9 by 2. Now for A22. So 2 plus 2 the whole square by 2, which is 4 square by 2 is 16 by 2 is 8. Now we have found all the elements. Just write it in the matrix. A is equal to 2. Always be careful while writing the places. Here it is for 1, 2, so you need to write in this place. If you write here, it will become wrong. So be careful while writing the elements. Here is also it is 9 by 2. Here it is 8. This is the final answer for the first subdivision. The same way we need to write it for the second subdivision. For second subdivision, the same way write A is equal to, let me write it first, A11, A12, A21, A22. So it's given that Aij is equal to I by J. Now A11 is 1 by 1, which is equal to 1. A12 is 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. A21 is 2 by 1 equal to 2. Next A22 is 2 by 2 equal to 1. Now start writing 1, 1 by 2, 2, 1. This is the second subdivision answer. A is equal to. Now we'll move on to the third one. Third one it is given as third subdivision. Let me construct it first. A11, A12, A21, A22. Now it is given that Aij is equal to 1 plus 2j the whole square by 2. Substitute the values first. A11 is 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2. The whole square by 2. Here it is 3 square is 9 by 2. For A12, 1 plus 2 into 2 the whole square by 2. So it becomes 1 plus 4 the whole square by 2, 5 square by 2, 25 by 2. A21 is 2 plus 2 into 1, sorry 1 plus 2 into 1 the whole square by 2, which is 1 plus 2 the whole square by 2, 3 square by 2, 9 by 2. Sorry, here it is 2 only. 4 square is 16 by 2, which is 8. We need to write the first one here, the second one into the bracket. So be careful while writing. See the element what is given here. It is I, not 1. Now it is 2, 2. 2 plus 2 into 2, the whole square by 2, which is 2 plus 4, the whole square by 2. 4 plus 2 is 6 square by 2. 12 by 2, 36 by 2, which is 18. 6 square is 36 by 2. I just cancelled it and written as 18. So I got 18 here. Now let me write it in the matrix. So A is equal to 9 by 2, 25 by 2, 8 and 18. So that's all with the third subdivision. This is the final answer for the third subdivision.